What's going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video. I gotta fix something on this car because everything's about fixing this car nowadays. It got old, man, and I didn't even realize it. So it's fixed Shaniqua era. Anyway, today we're gonna be fixing one of my most favorite mods that I have on this car. It's disconnected at the moment. We're gonna connect it back because it's very essential to having fun. Any car in that fact. It's not just Mazdas. So let's go ahead. We're gonna head off to the shop and get started with our day here. I think I nailed the perfect time of when no one's around, so I can just swoop right in. Bring it up as far as we can. I think that should be good. So before we start today's video, I got some pretty exciting news coming up in the next couple months here, probably within the next month. I have a huge announcement for the channel, for everything, just in general. So you're gonna hear me talking about that a lot in the next month of videos. Also, good news is a rental garage kind of popped up. I didn't get it. It was a little far away and it was a little too pricey, but I think people are starting to understand that renting out the detached garage can make a little bit of extra money now. So hopefully we find something relatively soon. On another note, today is all about the Mazda 3. So let's go ahead and hop right in to today's video. So one of my favorite Mazda 3 one of my favorite mods, and this goes for any car, because I'll tell you right now, I'm gonna be doing one to the Miata as well. But one of my favorite mods I've done to this car, underneath here, it's the rear sway bar. That's a 33mm custom rear sway bar, and as you can see, it looks like that end link's not even in it anymore. So something about this platform, and I'm not sure if it's with the other platforms too, the rear end link nuts seem to back off and like pretty much just come off. It even came to the point where, I don't know if it was me, but I'm pretty sure it sheared one of the nuts off and destroyed the end link's threads. So funny enough, I was actually supposed to do this video a long time ago, and then I realized that all the hardware fell off. That's how bad it was. So we're here today. I actually have the proper hardware. I got it from Mazda, and we're gonna be replacing an end link and putting the hardware back on and seeing if having a rear sway bar disconnected really makes a difference in your drive. So after we're done this, we're gonna go put the GoPro on my head. I have a corner in mind that we're just gonna absolutely shred. One way to know if your rear end links are kinda either loose, bad, or need to be replaced is your back end's probably gonna make a lot of noise. This thing has been making non-stop noise for like the past year and a half in the back end. Now the rear BC racing shocks are blown. The rear end links have also not been holding on for their life. So part of the stuff that I'm doing to this car, like I said at the beginning of the video, I didn't realize how old this car got. It just felt like a year ago. It was at 200,000 kilometers. It was dialed in, it was mint. Now we're at we're just creeping up on 250,000 kilometers, and like control arms, front lower control arms that we replaced at 160,000 kilometers are pretty much shot. So those are the things I gotta start taking into consideration. And with that being said, I think this thing's gonna get a lot of aftermarket bushings installed in it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started with putting our end links back in. So we have all the things that we need here. 14 mil nuts. The speeds are bigger. One side's a 17, one side's a 14. So they have bigger end lengths. Here's our brand new end length, 14, and an Allen key because Allen key heads. We go under the car here that we can see that this end link has completely disconnected itself, and so has this one. And that one looks to the point where it's actually pretty beat up. Okay. So here is the left one. This is moving around pretty easily, so I'd say this end link's probably blown. And it's kind of funny because when did I replace these? I don't think it was too long ago. So I need to go get another end link, but I guess reusing the same one for now will be okay, not a big deal. I don't think this end link's good. Okay, we're gonna switch them out. Normally these get torqued to about, I think they're like 45 foot-pounds, but Normally you can't torque them. Normally you can't torque these because the threads spin. So if you guys are testing your end lengths to see if they, you know, are good or not, this is like little to none force. I'm just kind of moving this around. That's they're probably shot. You shouldn't really be able to, like, this is just kind of loosey-goosey, so that's kind of when you have an idea of when you should be changing these, and obviously if they make a whole lot of noise. So anyways, that baby is all ready to go, which means we can go ahead, take it out on the road, and feel that rear sway bar life again. I swear to God, guys, it's been a long time. Remember that cruise I did last week? Would have probably been so much better with a rear sway bar. It's crazy to me how it's all like summer's just flying by, but our weather here has been horrible. Just a lot of rain. Like some people are saying, like, this is the most rain they've seen up here. Like, it's supposed to be sunny. That's it, just sun. So before we know it, this thing's gonna be back out and running, and we haven't even gotten this thing ready. This is supposed to be, well, this is lifted, but it's gonna need some new winter tires and all that junk. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this out and see how the rear sway bar does. Okay, so far everything feels, nice slam on the brakes. Everything feels like it should. So all my purple hand sanitizer came out of this, but I need to clean my hands anyway, so I'm gonna try it. Need a little purple sanitizer. It's probably gonna make my hands all gross, but I'd say it kind of worked. So my hands are really sticky. And there's food coloring in my hands now. Let's try it again. We'll go for the upper hand. Get those fingertips. Alright, here we go. Oh, I might have missed that opportunity. So that was about, yeah, okay, so yeah, definitely. Because I would do this corner at 60 and it would it would feel loose. So I think we did something. I don't want this guy in the Mercedes to think we're racing, but oh, come on. Why? Thank God. Okay, here we go. Good. There we go. We increased that corner by a good 20K, and I was getting a little tired after that. That's a long corner. The clutch did not like that. The clutch is very angry. And that's the video for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Today it was good to get some life back into this car. I'm gonna keep working forward on this, obviously. Keep tuned for everything with all those exciting announcements that I got for you guys. Like, I'm thrilled. You guys have no idea. Keep working on this. Hopefully we'll get the Miata back out. Don't mind this big red, oh God, the GoPro mount. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and comment down below. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.